All right, so here's a look at this over the toilet organizer that we got set up. Now, one of the cool things about this is it's actually adjustable. So if you come closer here, you can kind of see there's gonna be these pins, and what you can do is undo this. So let me just put my hand under here. You'll see that it's gonna have a wing nut, and then it's gonna have this piece right here. And then you're just gonna undo each of these. So there's gonna be 3 different levels. You'll see there's a top shelf, a middle shelf, and then the bottom shelf, which is closest to the toilet. And then down here at the bottom, there's also gonna be an adjustable piece, which it's a little hard to see from over there, but I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it under here. It's just a screw. And then you can adjust this. So let's say that you've got maybe like a bigger bathroom or something. You can actually slide this out, adjust it to where you want it to be. And you can see this thing can go super wide. It's still got probably 3 pins left, so I'm guessing it probably can go all the way out to here. Or if you want it really tight, you can kind of just move it closer. You can push it all apart, and now you can see it is very tight and close to the toilet. I like going somewhere in between, maybe like 3 or 4 notches out like this. And then you just take these pins, you're gonna go ahead and put them in like this, tighten them back up, and you're set. Now, you're not really gonna need to do this often, obviously. If you've got a bathroom, you're just gonna set it up kind of one time. So it's not a big deal that you have to do, this process like this, because once you have it set up, you're pretty much done. You don't have to do anything. Now, you can see it's got a couple of features to it. One is gonna be over here. It has this toilet paper roll, and you can put this on either side. I put it on this side just because it's a little bit easier here, and if you stand up, you're not gonna like bump your leg on it. I feel like it just looks more aesthetic on that side as well. And then over here, you also have these hooks that are also gonna be on both sides. You'll see there's 3 here, and then 3 over on this side. So if you need to hang anything, like sponges or anything like that, you can put them right there. Now, we don't have this mounted up against our wall because I just don't feel like it's falling over or anything, but they did provide a kit for you to mount this up against your wall. And you can see it's got like this zip tie kind of method here. Basically, you're gonna mount the piece right here, zip tie it, and push it up against the wall. You also have these pieces down here at the bottom, which you can spin and adjust. So if it's kind of wobbly, you just spin, adjust one of the feet, and then it's gonna balance out so that everything is nice and flat. Plus, once you kind of get a couple things on here, the weight will actually push and hold this down, so it's not gonna move or anything like that. Now, putting it together was not too difficult. I would say it only took me 10 to 15 minutes. I did it by myself. It's only just a couple of pieces. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3 different poles, and then you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 different shelves. And then you kind of have these attachment pieces at the bottom, and then the connector piece in the back, plus these little accessory pieces right here. So maximum, if you're really taking it slow, I would say it might take a total of 30 minutes. Just make sure that you go step by step in the instructions, because they did a really good job of actually putting the instructions together. So it'll go together perfect as long as you follow it in order. Now, this is very sturdy, so if you've got some heavy stuff that's gonna go on here, don't worry, because this will hold it. I would just make sure though, like if you did want to put some really heavy stuff on here, to mount it up against your wall. That way, you don't have any possible chance of it falling over. But I mean, even the way that they designed this, you can see that this part sticks out, and that's for stability. So like if I pull on this, it's got a lot more leverage to where it's not gonna tip over this way. If anything, it would tip this way, but your wall is there, so it's not gonna tip over. So if you're looking for some extra storage space for your bathroom, something that you could put over the toilet and it's not gonna take up any other room in the bathroom, plus something that's gonna be nice and adjustable, so regardless of what size bathroom you have, it will work, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.